नमस्ते, मेरा नाम कृति है।
大家好，我是维胜。
Wait, guys. Shouldn't we do this in English? For our target audience?
Oh yeah. Hi, I'm Krati
And I'm 维胜。
and welcome to today's session on how to use audience targeting in marketing. The way to success for any business goes through effective marketing, and it's a never-ending job. And when I say never-ending, I mean it. One of the essential steps towards effective marketing is to know targeting in marketing. Now, what's targeting in marketing? How and why is that important? How to go about it? What strategies are used to spot the target market?
Wait. Hang on, there's a lot of questions.
And we'll answer all of them in this video. Targeting is one of the three important steps of formulating a marketing strategy, the other two being segmentation and positioning.
At targeting stage, a marketer recognizes its core target segment, the segment or target market which is most likely to buy the product. Target market is a group of customers towards whom all marketing efforts are directed towards. There are multiple benefits of targeting in marketing, but most importantly, it saves time, it saves money, and it saves energy. It ensures the maximum return on investment to market the product effectively. Targeting in marketing requires some planning and thorough research on your end.
Let me walk you through all the steps of target market analysis. First, segment your market. Divide the consumer base into groups. These may be based on gender, age, socioeconomic status, lifestyle preferences, and others. Like Indian,
Singaporean,
female,
male,
loves sugar.
hate sugar.
Second, do your research. Collect facts. For this, you must conduct thorough research by collecting data, conducting surveys, understanding common purchasing cycles, doing psychoanalysis of consumers, etc. Third, determine your primary focus. Find the group that will be most interested in the product that you are trying to sell. And finally, create a suitable targeting strategy to reach your market.
Now let's see 4 basic strategies to reach your target market. First, mass marketing, also known as undifferentiated marketing. This involves adopting a marketing strategy that can appeal to all segments at once. For example, everyone can identify with Red Bull's Red Bull gives you wings. Second, differentiated marketing. It tries to create different messages that can connect to different segments. The same product can be pitched to 2 different segments of customers based on different reasons. Third, niche marketing. If a firm adopts a niche marketing strategy, it focuses on selling its product to only one narrow segment. And fourth, direct marketing. This is a newly emerging concept with the onset of digital marketing. Direct marketing involves establishing a direct and constant communication channel with customers, which help companies gather data on a real-time basis and help them to be on their toes at all times.
If you want to make it big in the corporate world, you should have a pragmatic knowledge of how marketing works today. On that note, we conclude the topic of audience targeting.
To know about UpGrad and Cambridge Judge Business School's Executive Education program in Strategic Digital Marketing, click on the link in the description.
Please like, share this video and subscribe to UpGrad for more such videos on data, digital and technology. We'll be back with the marketing strategy video on brand positioning soon.
So are we done here? Is that a yes or a no?